Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to our lecturer, Dr. Hong and Dr. Kamarul. We are from Group 3 and we would like to present about our project for Industrial Design Bmmd 3804, which is the design for emergency backpack for flood disaster. This is our group members. First, me, BAZIL SUHAIMI, and then we have a DAMIA SYAHIRAH, and lastly we have a CHEONG CHING. This is our organization chart, which is DAMIA SYAHIRAH is our leader, and me, BAZIL and CHEONG is a member. And then we have a Gantt chart. Our Gantt chart have 14 weeks and our tasks have a 24. Background. Recently in Malaysia, climate change has causes heavy rain which also causes flash flood in urban and rural area. Flood and flooding occur all over the world as natural phenomena that in most circumstances are not understood by the people who live in the affected areas. Flood usually happen unexpectedly. Natural disaster can be detected based professional flood analysis. However, in most developing countries such as Malaysia, this kind of professional floods analysts are not acknowledged by the government. And then we have a problem statement. First, floods usually happen in few days, which people are stranded on the top of the roof, in the house, hanging on the trees and others. Then, there's not enough emergency supplies when the floods happen. And lastly, existing product does not meet the actual needs of consumer when faced with flood conditions. And then, objective. First, our objective is to design a concept survival backpack that can have the new feature of waterproofing. Second, design a survival backpack for more pack of people. Then, design a more pocket and space survival backpack. And lastly, we want to design a backpack that can use to carry and go. It must simply use for people.
Salam sejahtera. My name is Chong and thank you for my member BAZIL. Definitions. Emergency survival backpack consists of essential items such as food, water, first aid and others. This emergency survival backpack employs the concept of the survival kit based on the physiological and psychological needs of victims. The backpack presents a more humanized approach for the design of a flood survival kit, providing a full explanation of each content, material, color and size. TSA, Target Specifications Analysis. We have doing 20 backpack for the specification analysis. This is the backpack that we have found for doing the analysis. Target market. Our target market is every members of household, adult, disaster victims, more space but lightweight, 3 pack of people for survival more than 24 hours. This is the table scala of the position map. We have doing the scala for -5 to 5. We have discussed the market situation for material versus durability and pocket design versus size. This is the position map 1. The position map is done according to the market situation for material versus durability. It had 4 zones, which is non-waterproof versus more durability, waterproof versus more durability, non-waterproof versus less durability, and waterproof versus less durability. This is the position map 2. The position map is done according to the market situation for pocket design versus size. It has 4 zones, which is less pocket versus larger size, more pocket versus larger size, less pocket versus smaller size, and more pocket versus smaller size.
We have done a questionnaire for design analysis. Our questionnaire consists of 2 sections, which is Section A, Personal Info, and Section B, User Experience and Needs. By doing the survey, we have gotten 52 respondents, 28 males and 24 females, which mostly aged 19 to 29. And 32.7% of respondents lived in area affected by flood. 57.7% of respondents also live in rural area. As a result, 19 out of 52 respondents has encountered flood in their lifetime. 53.8% agree that flood happened once in 3 years in their area. Besides, 48.1%, which is 25 out of 52 respondents, argue that flood usually happen in less than 3 hours. However, most of victims are stranded for at least more than 8 hours during the flood. That is the reason why we designed this backpack. 57.7%, which is 30 respondents out of 52, chose medium-sized 30 liter as their preferences. Therefore, we will proceed with that size of bag. Almost most of the respondents, 78.8%, chose backpacks as a way to carry their survival kit when they are stranded. Next, 61.5% that represent 32 respondents chose hidden compartment as their preferences accessory pocket. Hence, we will add that to our concept design. 61.5%, which is 32 respondents out of 52, chose waterproof material. For the problem that user face, top 3 problems are low quality material, too heavy, and no padding on the shoulder strap. Durable material and multi-compartment are the most qualities user prefer. For the design, waterproof dry bag and 2-in-1 design are the most wanted. Most of respondents suggest 3 pack supplies for the survival kit. Based on the result survey that we have gotten, we will choose 5 most necessary products according to the respondent, which are first aid, power bank, food, torchlight, multi-tools, and hygiene kits. 55.8% prefer to carry power bank to charge their mobile phone. Therefore, we will proceed with power bank as a way to charge their mobile phone. According to the option survey we have gotten, we will choose 5 medication to be included in the first aid. According to the respondent, Band-Aid, pain reliever, inhaler, antiseptic, and ointments are the most important. 51.9% prefer to have built-in alarm in order to be noticed by the rescuer. For the question how to be in contact with family members, walkie-talkie is the easiest way to keep in touch with the family members according to the respondents. For the next question, 50% chose high-energy food such as cereal bar, crackers to survive during stranded. For the question which type of clothes are important, the respondent chose 4 types of emergency clothes, which is pants, t-shirts, underwear, and rain gear. Next question, 51.9% will use multi-tools as a protection from danger. For new features for the backpack, 55.8%, which is 29 respondents, choose float as the best way to transform it to another function. Therefore, we will use this result in order for us to analyze the best design and continue to the design requirement. Design criteria. We have 2 design criteria, which is primary and also secondary. Primary design criteria consists of function. We add new features such as built-in GPS tracker, built-in alarm speaker on the back, and hidden compartments. Second one is durability. We use inflatable waterproof anti-slash material. For the secondary design criteria, we also have 2, which is appearance. Each of design concept has unique features. The second one is comfortness. Comfortness, which is we add padding on the shoulder strap. Design direction. We chose backpack in medium size, which is about 30 liters. The material we chose waterproof anti-slash material. And for the basic equipments, we have first aid, power bank, food, torchlight, multi-tools, and hygiene kits. And as for the new features, we have added an alarm, GPS tracker on the back, and hidden compartments.
This is my concept design sketch, and I have a 3 concept design, which is first, it's named a vector backpack, second, a souvenir bag, and the third is a bone triangular backpack. My concept design is more focused a waterproof bag. Other features that are used on this bag are wider interior and also the zip is durable. This bag is also easy to carry because the bag strap is strong and durable. Other than that, this bag design has a lot of extra space, such as a pocket and also a net to store important document and other necessary equipment like a scissors, whistle, rope, first aid, bandage and others.
The first concept is minimalist survival kit, which has glow-in-the-dark material and built-in alarm for the rescuer to notice. This minimalist survival kit consists of first aid, emergency clothes, medical kit, canned food, water tablets, and others. This type of design can also be used even after the flight. This kit is suitable for all types of age. The second concept is Zero to Hero. Why it is called Zero to Hero? It is because it is more in size when not in use. It will be bigger when in use. It is because the pleated design or the foldable design, which can enlarge the backpack so that it can fit at least 4 bags of survival supplies. As for the equipment, it consists of medical kits, energy food, emergency clothes, camping kit, multi-tools, and 2-in-1 torchlight which has alarm so that when the user click on that, the rescuer can notice the user. The third concept is easy peasy, as the name consists of one big compartment which include individual compartments inside so that the user can categorize it. The outer design of the backpack can be converted to tent and can be used when the user are stranded on top of the roof, when it is in heavy rain, when the user doesn't get any help from the rescuer. This easy peasy survival kit consists of energy food, first aid, multi-tools, hygiene kits, toiletries, emergency clothes. Also has the new features which is built-in GPS tracker to locate your family members.
The concept design of the backpack is a backpack style. Besides that, my concept design is made from waterproofing material. My concept backpack can adjustable. It is more pocket design, easy to carry and go, can put a lot of survival items such as emergency life jacket, scissor, body temperature, water, food, emergency kit, bandage, tissue, mask, life stick, rainy coat, golf, compass, whistle, torchlight, survival gear, important document, money and others. Last but not least, thank you for using your opportunity time for having the video. Thank you.
This is our method of development. In our method of development, we use a KJ method, which is start with an issue, problem statement, and then user target, and after that we build an idea, which is there's a 4 idea, and lastly as a design concept for the bag. For the issue, we state the how to save a disaster victim from a flood and improve their safety needed. And then a problem statement. We have a 4 problem statement, which is flood usually happen in few days, which people are stranded on the top of the roof, in the house, hanging on the tree and others. There are not enough emergency supplies when the flood happens. And then person who not good in swimming. And lastly, existing product do not meet the actual needs of consumer when faced with flood conditions. And the user target is every member of a household, every adult from disaster victims. And then the idea. We build a 4 idea, which is a size of bag, backpack material, type of bag and feature of the bag. For the size bag, we have a 3 type of size bag, which is a small, medium and large. Backpack material, we have a waterproof, anti-splash material and inflatable material. For the type of bag, we have a first backpack, sling bag type, detachable bag, luggage type and duffel bag. And the feature of the bag is a multi-compartment, multi-pocket, perfect design and shape and durable material for the bag. And lastly, a design concept. A design concept for a bag is a backpack style, modern bag design with color, waterproof material, more durability of a bag, more pocket design, and lastly a larger interior of bag. And then this is a KJ method that we have a build and present. This is my final design selection, which is the key criteria have a 5 criteria, which is a backpack, design style, more pocket, larger size, and high durability. And there's a 3 concept final selection, which is me have select the concept 3 for 3 sketches. And then DAMIA SYAHIRAH has select the concept 5 for the final selection. And then CHEONG have select the concept 9 for 7 until 9 selection sketch.
Path matrix. The path matrix is done as a slide. We have listed the criteria for larger size space, design style, more pocket, waterproof material, anti-splash material, spacious features, modern multifunctions design, wide interior, backpack style, cubic backpack, high durability, and 2-in-1 float design. The alternative concept has 9 concept design of the backpack. The top 3 of mark is choose for our decide design, which is concept 3, concept 5, and concept 9. The next slide shows the CAD drawing of the bond trigger backpack. Zero to Hero Kit backpack. And carry on backpack. These 3 backpacks have shows detail on the perspective view, front view, side view, and backpack open style. The next slide is rendering. The importance of rendering is gives the final appearance to model with visual effects such as shading, textual mapping, shadows, reflections, and motion blur. In the slide have showing the rendering of 3 backpack. They have 3 different situations. One is on normal situation but sitting on the table. One is on normal situation but sitting on the floor. And other one is on floor situation and sitting on the live buoy.
Next is the poster design plan for the Bond Treasure backpack on the left, and on the right is the Bond Treasure backpack poster design, which consists of background, objective, problem statement, sketching, 3D rendering, questionnaire, and also front, side, and back view. Next is the poster design plan on the left, and also the actual design poster of Zero to Hero Kit, which consists of background, the problem statement, objective, final sketch, 3D rendering, and also features, position map, and also the results of the questionnaire. Last but not least, the poster design plan for Carry On Backpack, which is our concept 9. On the left is the poster design plan, and the right one is the poster design. It consists of problem statement, objective, criteria and direction, rendering, 3D modeling, position map. The function of the poster is to explain or elaborate our products. In conclusion, respectively, we have achieved our objectives of this project. We have designed and developed an emergency survival backpack household kit for flood situations successfully. The final design of an emergency survival backpack household kit can support 2 to 4 persons. We know that flood becomes a horrific tragedy in Malaysia. Flood causes difficulty and maybe the worst event in Malaysia. We choose backpack to design as an emergency survival kit since it is easier to pack, carry and go. The emergency backpack is developed that can endure larger packs of people. The design of the bag is bigger and larger in size. The size of the backpack plays a crucial function to the individuals. Our bag is not only waterproof but also float, which is suitable for floods. It keeps stuff dry and safe. That's all from us. Thank you so much.